Hey, it's Martha. I have for you the Sew Sampler box for Fat Quarter Shop for December. Yeah, today's January the 16th, 2023. And this is totally last year. Super late. Again, I seem to always be late on these, don't I? So without further ado, I want to go ahead and show you what was in the December box for 2022. So when you open it up, it has a wonderful little cover so that you can't see what's inside of it yet. And this one says, Joy in the Journey, December 2022. Are you enjoying your journey with quilting? I know I am. I'm having so much fun with it. So it just reminds us, that for me reminds me just to have joy in the journey, have fun, enjoy life. So on the back, it actually gives you a 30% off coupon for some products from Fat Quarter Shop if you buy it before the end of February. So that's just something that they always give you. I can't share that because it's only for the Sew Sampler box members. And then inside you have the little information kit that tells you what's all going to be in here. So it's got some nice stuff in it. So we'll go ahead and kind of go from the beginning here. So we have the magnetic pin caddy. So that's super cool. It's in their Fat Quarter Shop color. I love it. And it says Fat Quarter Shop on it. So let's open it up. And it says it's magnetic. Oh, that was really loud. I hope that wasn't too loud for you. Its value is $8.98, and it's attractive in more than ways than one. It's fitting with a strong magnet. It's cute and useful to keep your pins in check for your sewing machine. Well, I can't get it open. Anyway, it's a magnetic pin caddy. Really cool. It's heavy too. So it actually can be like a paperweight in your sewing area too. I really like that. That's very nice. So the next one, we've got some Sassy Sayings iron-on labels. How did they know that this is what I needed? The value is $13.48. It's let your quilts and sewing gifts be as sassy as you are. Featuring 100 plus snarky designs. You can stitch, color, or paint. These customizable iron-on labels add personality and pizzazz to all of your homemade projects. So it's like a little book. It's really cool. It's got 100 plus. This is nice. So it says tells you how to transfer the pattern. So it's just got all kind of little things in here. So that's really nice. I needed some iron-on labels because Donna from Donna with the Handmade Ying with Donna had asked me, she says, are you putting labels on your quilt? Are you keeping track? And I'm like, no, I need to be. So if you haven't checked out that interview, go over to Handmade Ying with Donna on her channel. I'll put her information down below. We had a fabulous time getting to talk about all kind of wonderful stuff. So she is a hoot and a holler is what they call it down here in the South. So the next thing is it's a little pin. Oh, and it's not even on here. Oh, it's a bonus item. It's Ruby Star Society enamel zipper pull. Aw, it's a little bonus item. Super cute. I have a pair of snips that look just like this. Very cute. So that was like a $4.99 value. So this next thing we have, I have no idea what it is. It's an Alpha Magnetic Touch Knife. So its value is $3.24. It's often called the handiest little knife in the world. And it's just that. It's small enough to fit in your project bag or sewing drawer and features a secure blade lock. Sleek and small. It works perfectly to snip threads as well as your Sew Sampler packages. And then there's the very nice This is perfect. How many times I need an X-Acto knife of some kind and I have to go to the junk drawer in the kitchen and find one. So this is perfect for that. And then we also, every month in the Sew Sampler box, they have a quilt sew along. They give you blocks of the month. This one's block number 9 for the Bliss quilt along from Fig Tree and Company for Fat Quarter Shop. So not really able to give you that, but I can just show you real quick. It's just a nice little card. And then when they finish with these blocks, it should be 12 of them, then they'll start a new one. The next one is a Trailblazer quilt pattern, and its value is $9.98. I always like their patterns that they put in here. How pretty is that? I like all those colors. I'm thinking that would be great to use some scraps up. To be able to use that. I don't really know yet, but just looking at it. Okay, so it says its finished size is 54.5 by 54.5, so it's going to be a square, and it just basically tells you how to put it all together. Very nice. So I'm thinking that would be great for some scraps, because who has scraps? Do you? I do. And sometimes it's really hard to keep them under control. I think that would be a great quilt pattern for it. So last but not least is the charm packs that they put in here. And they actually doubled them up together. It's by Violet Craft and value is $22.96. So just alone, the charm packs and let's just say the zipper pull almost takes care of your monthly dollar amount that you spend on this. So let's go ahead and show you. It's really pretty. It's by Robert Kaufman. So let's go ahead and open it up. Maybe I can use this little without ripping the... Hey, it worked. Ooh, that's sharp. So that was neat. They put 2 of the charm packs in here. So I think you need 2 of the charm packs to make the quilt pattern too. Let me see what it says. Yeah, you're going to need both of these to make the Trailblazer quilt pattern. These definitely remind me of Florida. Going fishing. Let's see if I can just fan it for you so that you can see it. This is a nice little charm pack. Very, 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 very nice. Okay, so that's it for the December 2022 Sew Sampler box. What did you think? Did you get this box? Do you get the box? Are you planning on getting it for the new year? Or is this something that you just don't do? So it is always nice to get that little gift in the mail every month, just as a little splurge for yourself. So without further ado, I think that's it for this December 2022 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box unboxing. I will put in the description below the link where you can go and find this. Usually there's a waiting list. I'm not really sure if they have the waiting list open, but you can always go in and check it and see. And until next time, take care. Bye.